Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to cross your text in Discord. So let's get started. You may have seen somebody talk like this in chat using this crossed text. So if you have been wondering on how to do that, this is the right video for you. So what you need to do is go to a server and click on this message box down here, and then you need to type this. Now this is, if you have an English keyboard, it should be located right under the escape button, top left side of your keyboard. And for me it works just like, well, you press shift plus that button that's under your escape key, and you should get this icon. Now you put two of those and you write your text, and then you finish with two of those. As you can see, it instantly crosses it, and when you send it, it's crossed. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyways, have a nice day.